So here we are with my 3D printed snake. Those are the details. I mean, I had to change out the color 5 times like I had said before in the previous video. There's our color changes. Actually, I think it looks kind of cool because it has a lot of detail in the 3D print itself, you know, with the scales. It kind of glistens a little bit. I don't know, I almost think if you put it in the grass, people would think it was a real snake. It's pretty realistic looking when you step up on it. Only thing not so realistic about it that I would change is I wouldn't put green on the bottom. I'd probably go with maybe a little bit of orange to start with, and then maybe roll into red and then black. But I like the tips being the red transitioning to orange. Anyways, so pretty cool though, huh? All 3D printed, so I just pause it and change the colors when it got to a spot where I thought it should be changed. But those are just me being creative. Anyways, there you go. Thing's about 3 feet long. It's pretty big. It is a pretty large snake. There you go, 3D printed snake. Thanks for watching.